I'm a warrior gang, not just controversial now. Show me career almost. Homework gang, ride a dialogue on me. Savage beast like a warrior. Homework gang, not just controversial now. Show me career almost. Homework gang, ride a dialogue on me. Savage beast like a warrior. Homework gang, 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 gang.
What up, y'all? Yo, do Joe T here. So, by the way, don't mind this. I just washed my hair today. Anyway, but yeah. So today we finna go see some fireworks, and yeah, let's roll.
That one was pretty.
Oh, that was a pretty one. Yeah,
Did
that
you get it
was.
or no?
I got some of it.
That one was
They got
pretty.
some pretty
Yeah.
ones out here,
I told you can park over here and look at them. Just
That
park.
was pretty right there.
Got a little bit of.
I'm gonna go in this big
And I think
parking
they
lot.
stopped the fireworks.
When we go down on the other end, it don't be none down there. So I decided to come on this end this
I
time.
think they,
You might as well. It's the only way you can see fireworks.
I don't know if they still do them or not. Oh, it's right with
I'm
you.
gonna
Yeah.
go right over here and park.
Yeah, I see it right there.
Every time
That's so beautiful.
when I see the end, we
You
need to
finna
go
make put
down
Katy Perry
this-
on. Look, listen. If we weren't able to see this, I would have to put it on my phone and watch it on video.
Park right here.
Everywhere.
Nobody got to go downtown nowhere. People be parking.
I would have to put it on video. You would have to watch the fireworks on video on my phone. You would be like, yep, that's what you get. That's all you can get. Fireworks on video. No, we finally got to see it.
You get to see it. You won't look at it.
Wish is blocking the way. Oh, y'all, this looks so beautiful. If only this bush wasn't in the way. Oh, this looks so beautiful. Listen. If we weren't able to see this, like I said, we had to put it on video. Y'all see this? Yeah, thank you for moving back so they can see. Oh, look at this, y'all. You see how beautiful that is?
Wait a minute.
This is great. You see this? Mom, you see this? Look how beautiful that is.
I see it.
No, you not. You on the phone. No,
Yes,
you not. You on the phone. You're not even paying attention. Listen, you rather be on your phone to watch this beautiful stuff. Oh, you don't see that? Look the way I did it.
Yeah, I hear you, Coach.
This is so beautiful. Wow, this is great.
Because he taped.
Baby,
he
you
taping
will
on
find.
live. He do live, and I don't like my voice on that one. He on live.
Let me stop before I get copyright. No, I'm not. I'm recording.
But you gonna post it. I know you gonna post it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to call you back because I
I
don't want
rarely
you know,
ever go
we
on
be
live
talking
on
too.
here.
I'll call you back. Okay.
This is the perfect spot. We've been trying to find a spot. What? I'm telling them what's going on. So we were trying to see. We were trying to see what spot we can find the fireworks, and well, we found it. We found a spot we can see it. Yeah. Oh wow. You better hurry up and get it. This is the only chance we can see it and get it on tape. She's trying to post on her story.
It didn't do right.
Y'all go check out my mom's Instagram. So, yeah. Wow, y'all. Listen, we definitely gonna come here back next year. What, you post this on your Facebook? Why are you looking around? Why are you looking around? I don't get why she was looking around. I don't know if y'all can see me. But yeah. Somebody was roller skating. Yeah, somebody was out there roller skating. Hope we don't fall and bust your hair. Oh, I never seen those before. Those look like what, volcanoes or something? Get out of the way! Trying to steal my son. I'm trying to film a moment. A moment. Okay. All right, y'all, we back home. And yeah, listen, it was like really, really chill. Okay, like listen, we didn't think we were gonna go find a good spot on fireworks tonight, but guess what? We finally did. We did it, you know, so yeah. Pretty much. Yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like social media subscription, all of that. And yeah. Happy 4th of July. I'm finna go wash my ass. And yeah. Alright. Have a good night. I'm out.